Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this Toyota Sienna 2013, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the front brake pads and rotors. So let's get started. So first I would like to show you the sport parts that I bought. I ordered from Brembo store right here. So we have our Brembo brake pads. This is the front brake pads. So here's the reference, P83145N. And we also have the rotors, the front ones. So I just bought the kit, but if you want, you can just get the brake pads in case you don't want to replace the rotors too. So I'm gonna leave the link down below here in the description so you can check it out. I'm not getting paid for recommend Brembo. It's just that I like to recommend good products that have so far met good specification, and I think you're not gonna have any trouble with Brembo. So I just wanted to recommend it to you. Okay, so coming back here, first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the caliper. So we're gonna take off this bolt right here and this other one right here. This is the caliper. Just to avoid hanging it from the brake line, I'm gonna put this plastic strap right here. Here we have the old brake pads. I'm gonna take off the spring, like a V-shaped spring, just to avoid what is the brake pads dragging when it's idling. So I'm gonna take off this one too. What we are going to do now is we're gonna take off the caliper base, which is this one. So to do so, I'm gonna take off this bolt and this other one right here. So I'm gonna turn the steering wheel this way so I can use the lever. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna take off this one and this one. This is a nut number 17. You can see it right here. One. There we go. Here we have the caliper base. I'll put it aside just for a moment. There we go. Let's check for the new one. This one. There we go. Like this. I'm gonna put back the base, the caliper base, which is this one. Okay, so now, as you can see here, this is the old bracket. So what just happened is that bolts that support the caliper in its place are completely rusted. As you can see, I can barely move it, and this one was completely welded by rust. So when I tried to turn it with the wrench, it broke. So I got the new one. I had to go to Advanced Auto Parts and get the new part. So this part was coming with the caliper also, but I had no choice. I had to get the complete part, but it's okay. I'm gonna switch it anyway. So let's come back here to the installation, and I'm gonna install then the new caliper bracket right here. Okay, I'm gonna tight. So now, coming back here to the caliper, I'm gonna release the line, which is this one. So to remove the caliper line, this is a nut number 14. There you go. And this is the new caliper. So what I'm going to do is gonna connect the new line. And now I'm gonna put the new one. And this is just to keep it in place for a short moment until I tight the brake fluid line. There we go. Now this is a purge screw. So later I have to purge the system and switch the brake fluid. Good. So I'm gonna remove again caliper. Now gonna dry everything because it's full of brake fluid. I'm ready to keep going. Now I'm gonna install the brake pads railways. So this is just basically where the brake pads slide when it wears. I'm gonna put it right here. It's the first one. The second one up here. On this side, the inner side. There we go. And the last one. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ready. Alright, so now I'm gonna take the new brake pads. I'm gonna install this clip. It comes in the Brembo package too, the new one. So you just have to put it right here. That's it. There we go. In the upper side of the brake pad. So this one goes right here. You're gonna install it in the upper side, and the same for the other one. Just gonna right here, and you're gonna slide it in until you heard the click. There we go. It's in the upper side. So when you put it, it slides in its rail like this. Now I'm gonna put the V-shaped springs. This is to avoid dragging when you're not pressing the brakes. Now I just put the caliper back. Just make sure that it is tight enough, but not too much. Now we're gonna purge the brake fluid. Alright, so now we're gonna purge the system. So he's gonna pump the brake, and then going to open the faucet and close it. Bombealo. Manténlo oprimido. So you can collect the fluid with a small bottle, so you don't have to spill it on the ground. Bombealo, manténlo oprimido. Like this for both sides. It could be like 5 or 10 times. You're gonna collect like half a liter, so then make sure to refill the brake fluid reservoir. This is the brake fluid you're gonna use to refill the reservoir, DOT number 3. That's it. And that's it. Now what you have to do is just put back the wheel and do the same thing for the other side of the car. And okay guys, as always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.